Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination,
We'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Newts, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Newts,
bringing all their friends together.
Find out how things work with Darwin and you. Wow! A butterfly! Darwin, look out! Darwin! I'm okay, Newts. Did you see it? A monarch butterfly. Where? Up there! Come on! Hurry, Where did it go? There! Newts, I have to get a photo. Wow! Awesome colours! Black and orange. Pango and karaka. Look at the patterns on the wings. They're exactly the same on each side. Interesting. Not just interesting, amazing. They're the most beautiful things I've ever seen. Darwin, look out! Whoa! Careful, please. Sorry. What are those? Swan plants for the monarch butterflies. They love them. You mean the black and orange? The Pango and Karaka butterflies? Yes. They like to lay their eggs on swan plants underneath the leaves. And we'll see them. Cool. Newts, a butterfly has just laid these eggs. So what happens now? Do the eggs hatch into little butterflies? I don't think so.
Not quite, Newt.
Whoa! Wapiti! Kia ora! Hi, Wapiti!
Hello, kia ora.
So, these eggs won't become butterflies?
Well, some of them will. But before a butterfly can be a butterfly, it first has to be a caterpillar. And caterpillars hatch out of those eggs.
Cool, but I've seen caterpillars, and they're much bigger than those eggs.
Good observation, Darwin. They start off small, but eat lots. So they grow and grow.
But how does a caterpillar turn into a butterfly? Maybe it spins round really fast. And then when it stops, whoa, it's a butterfly.
Not quite, Newt. First, it will hang upside down to sleep and make a little sleeping bag called a chrysalis. And when it's safe inside its chrysalis, its body will change into a butterfly.
Cool! When?
You'll have to be patient, but it'll be worth it. Bye now.
Bye, Wapiti! Thanks! Eggs to caterpillar, to chrysalis, to butterfly. Fascinating. Has it all happened yet, Darwin? Not yet, Newts. How does it all really work? Let's science it! My observations show so far the little egg hasn't hatched. But you can see the little caterpillar's head inside, which means it's very close to hatching. Look, Titiro. Cool. Has it all happened yet? we have a little caterpillar. And it's eating our swan plants. Hi, caterpillar. Welcome to the world. How's our little caterpillar going? It ate so much, it got too big for its skin. Too big for its skin? Look, Titiro. It's doing it again. It grows a new skin and leaves the old skin behind. And keeps on eating. Like someone else I know. How's our hungry caterpillar? Look, Titiro. Wow. This must be the chrysalis Wapiti talked about. I'm going to keep observing it until it becomes a butterfly. That could be a while. Well, lucky I am a patient scientist. Well, let me know when it does. Hi, kia ora, Newts. What a cool butterfly. I'm trying to draw one for Darwin, just like this photo. It's beautiful. I love the patterns on its wings. And look, Titiro, the two wings are exactly the same. It's called symmetrical. Symmetrical? Well, I'm going to draw symmetrical wings on my present for Darwin. Done! They look good. But, they're not the same. They're not symmetrical. So I'll try again. Still no sign of any butterfly. But a good scientist is a patient scientist. Look, Titiro, Henny. I have a paintbrush in each hand, so I can paint both wings at exactly the same time. So they will be symmetrical. Great idea. Done! They look really good. But look here and here. They're not symmetrical. And look here. What? Whoa! Wow! These are all so wonderful, Newts. But not symmetrical. Wait a minute. Do you see what I'm seeing? The wings in this photo are symmetrical. And when you fold the photo like this, one will be exactly on top of the other. If I fold this paper exactly down the middle, then unfold it again, then I paint one side with a wing like this, then I fold my painted wing onto the other side of the paper, the paint has been copied over to make another wing. And the two wings are symmetrical! We did it! Newts! Newts! Darwin? Newts! Come here! Haere mai! Darwin, what's happening? The butterfly is coming! Look! Titiro! It's coming out of the chrysalis! Ooh! Wow! Isn't it amazing? But it's not flying away. It's just sitting there. Is it all right? It's fine. It just needs to wait until its wings are ready to fly. Then I've got time. Oh, wait. Where's she gone? I'm on it. Oh. It's flapping its wings! It's going to take off! Oh, Newts won't see it fly! Yes, I will! Look! It's flying! Wow! Isn't it beautiful? And this is for you, presenting my special symmetrical framed perfect picture. Thank you, Ka-pai Newts. The wings are perfectly symmetrical. Mihado! Awesome! Wow! Head to DarwinandNewts.com for more.